What happened to your car? You broke the window? Someone break into it? I'm going out on a repair today. A lady I've been there before. I'll be going over there and checking out her door. She also wants me to paint a door I put in for her a while back. So I'm gonna swing by there, check it out, maybe charge her a service, and then that'll be that. Okay, so lady not home. She'll be here though. She gave me the code to get in. And what I'm doing is I've loosened this track up right here. I loosened the track because this here, someone tied this around and it's causing the door to reverse. So I'm just gonna take this off. This stupid cable guy. I'm gonna move this to the outside and I'm gonna move this all to the outside. I'm gonna take this off right here, get this untangled, and then I'm gonna get that over there. Oh no, I want this over here. And then I'm gonna move this over to the outside. Okay. So this will go way over here. Okay. What happened to your car? You broke the window? Someone break into it?
It was my fault, actually, the school's fault, because they had this big old steel rod protecting the building. My camera didn't see it, and I hit it.
Oh, really? Did it scare you?
No, it didn't scare me.
It shattered the whole window?
Yeah.
Man. Okay, go down. Okay, got all the wires away from the wall there.
That's really weird. So how come my neighbor was able to fix it last time?
He just got lucky. Okay, so I took the track off, and I remounted it, but I had to get these cables down here. See these cables? Someone ran them through the bottom of the door, and then they came up here, and then they strapped them over here, and they went over the top, and then they went in. So instead of taking it off of up here, I didn't want to disconnect your alarm or whatever that is. I took the track off and then I tucked everything behind the track and I mounted it clean over there because it was catching on this wire.
Okay.
So the wire was actually over here and it would push down on it. So when the door would go down, the bottom fixture has a pin on it and it would sometimes catch that cable and cause it to go back up. And I stapled it all and I pushed it over to the side, so I put that nail there so it can't, in case the staples fall out, I don't want it to fall this way again. So everything's on that side. I put this little piece on there too. So anyway, so it'd be $349 for the regular door service.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Check is in the mail.
Yeah.
Just take yourself out to lunch.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks. She gave me a $51 tip. And I'm just gonna put a sticker up and I'm done here. That took me about 30 minutes. All right. In any event, there's gonna be a lot of stuff going on coming up. I think with the economy, people don't care. They still need to get their car in and out. If you learn a trade like this one, a necessity where they need to get in and stuff, you're not going to have to worry about a recession. You don't have to worry about uncertainty. Let the other guys worry about the recession. My advice to you guys is just learn a trade. I promise you, you won't regret it. You'll be out there making money, easy money. You think I'm working hard in the trades? We'll teach you how to do everything, you know, from opening your checking account to getting a business license to your logo, your website, all that stuff, we're there for you. So don't worry about all that stuff. We even give you price sheets. These are laminated price sheets. They have the prices on them. And these are good to take in. When you go inside the customer's house, you can just show them the price. You don't have to make up numbers or anything, and they don't think you're making up numbers if you're uncomfortable with charging. Anyway, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Get involved. Start being the garage door person in your area. You'll make a lot of money. Like one guy just said, third week since he started, he's already made $27,000. That's what you could do too. And he still has another week or so to go. So he probably made over $40,000 his first month. And I know it sounds like BS because you hear all these other stupid things online, but the fact of the matter is people are making this money, and I gotta go because I gotta get gas. Over and out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.